In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a Google Gemini API key. By the end, you'll have a fresh API key ready to use with Google's Gemini models, and you'll know a few best practices to keep it safe. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google's homepage. In the search bar, type Google AI Studio. This is Google's official interface for exploring Gemini models, testing prompts, and managing API access. In the results, click the official Google AI Studio website. If you're prompted to sign in, use the Google account you want associated with your API usage, so everything stays organized under the right account. Once you're in AI Studio, look for the option that says Get API Key. This takes you to the dedicated API Keys section where you can manage existing keys or create a new one. Click Get API Key to proceed. Next, select Create API Key. This begins a short flow where you'll define the basic details of your key. When you're asked to name your key, choose something clear and descriptive. For example, use a name that reflects the app, environment, or team that will use the key. A good name makes it easier to track usage later and rotate keys without confusion. You'll then be prompted to choose an important project. Projects in Google's ecosystem help you organize resources, manage access, and align billing. Pick the project that corresponds to the app or workflow where you'll use Gemini. If you work across multiple applications, selecting the right project now will save you from sorting out usage and limits later. With your name and project chosen, click Create Key. AI Studio will generate your new API key and display it on screen. Treat this key like a password. Do not share it in messages, screenshots, or code snippets. Store it somewhere secure, ideally in a password manager or a secrets vault, and load it into your app via environment variables rather than hard-coding it. Avoid committing it to public or private repositories, and rotate it if you think it has been exposed. If your organization has usage quotas or cost controls, make sure the correct project and policies are set so you stay within your limits. That's it. You navigated to Google AI Studio, opened the API Keys page, created a new key with a clear name, linked it to the right project, and finalized it. Keep the key secure, and you'll be ready to connect your app to Gemini with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy building!